Calicut or Kozhikode is the city of spices is famous for spices from ancient times. Kozhikode is North Kerala, is known as Calicut. It is a popular tourist destination. It is a Malabar coastal area of Arabian Sea. We can enjoy many beaches, family picnics, heritage sites, seafood extra at Kozhikode in Kerala. We can view historic architecture, shopping hotspots, temples, churches, mosques and nightclubs, street food, tattukadas, star hotels, beaches, spice gardens, etc. Kozhikode Airport is in Karipur and known as Calicut International Airport. It is 23 km away and it connects all parts of the world. Kozhikode railway station connects all parts of India. Kozhikode is connected by road to all parts of India. Kozhikode can be visited in the months of March to May. It is summer season. From June to September it is monsoon season. From October to February it is winter season. It is best time to visit Kozhikode. Kozhikode beach. It is 1 kilometer away. It is the finest beach in South India. It is a tourist spot. You can enjoy sunset and also bath in the crystal clear water. Kapad beach. This beach is historically significant tourist spot. It is located at close proximity to Kozhikode. Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama found out sea route to India from Europe and first person to step down to Kapad beach in Kozhikode. Snow Fantasy. It is located near the Highlight Mall. The Snow Fantasy in Kozhikode, Kerala is a perfect place to spend a family picnic. You can enjoy snowboarding and skiing. Baipur. It is an ancient port and known as the second largest port in Kerala. It is a tourist spot. It was a trading hub and shipmaking spot. It is 15 km away from Kozhikode. Mananjira Square in Kozhikode. It is covered by lush greeneries from all directions. It is a beautiful spot for visitors. Mananjira Lake spread over 3.49 acres. Perunamudi Dam. It is in the Western Ghats. It is 60 km away from Kozhikode. It is a beautiful tourist spot, picturesque spot. The reservoir here offers speedboat and boat ride. Regional Science Center and Planetarium. It is a important place to visit and improves the tourism in Kozhikode. It is 1 kilometer from city. It has a seating capacity of 250 persons at once. They show various shows. They use the advanced projecting technology in the room. Payoli, P.T. Usha's birthplace. Here is a beautiful beach. Highlight Mall. It is a good place for shopping. 200 branded outlets are there. It is the largest mall in North Kerala. Focus Mall. Prime location, shopping options, dining and food zone are important highlights in Focus Mall Kozhikode. Sarovaram Biopark. It is 2 km away. It is located next to the canal near Kutuli. We can see beautiful mangrove forest, wetlands and different habitats of birds. This huge protected area of 200 acres is a safe paradise for at least 34 species of birds and 30 mangrove species. Kadalundi Bird Sanctuary. Photographers from all over the world come here to shoot the photography of migratory birds and avian birds and freshwater fishes. It is 38 km from the city center. Tushargiri Waterfall. It is an amazing place in Kozhikode, flowing from a height of 75 meters at the Western Ghats. Is a beautiful sight. The waterfall flows down as Chalipura River, which is an amazing spot for water sports as well. Kayaking also takes place there. Kakayam Dam. It is 15 km away from Kakayam bus stand. Kakayam is a dam site with lush green landscape and full of animals and birds. With the permission of the forest office, you can go forward. Alathur. It is an enchanting river and lakes with a very little population, gained many fans from around the country. Seat Street. It is the Kozhikode, famous for the Kozhikode halwa and the banana chips. It is 1 km away. There are many seats available there. Kallai River. The river runs the timber hub of the second largest trading center in Asia after Japan. Thali Shiva Temple, Art Gallery, Krishna Menon Museum, Lokanath Tower Temple or other places to visit. Thank you. Ram's Travel Diary.